Muhammad. How are you, Messi?
Nice.
Good, good. Chalo, Assalamu alaikum. How is Abu?
Abu is sleeping.
Arey, it's okay. Abu must be full ibadat, full night. He's a Batman.
No, he was watching Ertugrul for night.
That is also ibadat, no? Watching Ertugrul.
Yes.
Which season are you in? Safia is in season 5.
I'm on season 5, episode 50.
Season 5, episode 50. Okay. Good, good. All right. We have a new teacher and then last class. Is it okay? What time do you get up, Mohammed?
8, yes, 9.
Oh, mashallah. That's very early. Good, good. Okay, you have everything around? All right. All set? Yeah, I can see that. It's okay. Let your teacher and all your friends come. Perfect. Let them come in and I'll wait for them. You can ask her which season is he? Ask her. I'll put the camera on. So, Islam ko salam kar.
Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam. How are you? Nice. Which season are you in? Season 5, episode 50. Good.
We get this thing also, tab. Get the tab also, please. Hey, wallah.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam, Muhammad. Yes, Muhammad. How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Good, alhamdulillah. Nice, nice, mashallah. I'm just muting everybody. You all can unmute yourself wherever you want. Okay, Zara, that's Zara, right? One of the instructors. Abdullah. Assalamualaikum, Abdullah. How are you? Yeah, Abdullah. I'll just help you. Log in. Okay, Lafira. How are you, Lafira? Yes, Yusuf. right, Saqib, Lafira, Muhammad. Sorry, Muhammad. Both Muhammads, right? Muhammad Ashfaq and Muhammad Saqib. Good to see you all.
Hello, good afternoon.
All right, good afternoon. How are you, ma'am?
Voice is echoing.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Minute, 1 minute, yeah.
Sure.
Zainu, can you ask? Right. Let's get it first. All right, Cheryl ma'am, I think you can hear me. You can't see me. Hold on a minute. Yes, I'll first unmute you. 1 minute. There you unmuted. Others are all muted here. And
Okay, how many of them do I have altogether here?
okay, right now there are, I think, 17, including us. So we've got 15 students. We've got few more to join in. I think there'll be another 5 more that'll be joining in.
Okay. Wow, I like the name Lafira.
Lafira, where are you? You can say hello out there.
Lafira, that's the name. I think I've heard some name like that for the first time.
Really? Okay, that's
Wow,
interesting.
interesting names. Now, how do you pronounce that exactly? Nowfal.
Now, Phil, go ahead, unmute yourself and speak up. Okay, hold on. Now, Phil, just a minute. Okay, go ahead now.
Can unmute.
Yeah. Yeah, no, Phil.
How do you pronounce your name?
Give me a second. I'll be back. Give me a second.
Wow, that's a golden retriever. Hold on, we'll ask the teacher to show us that. Ibrahim, isn't it cool? Hi, Sana, how are you? Cool, that's nice. Abdullah, wonderful.
Headphone mati open.
Hi, Naufal.
Yeah, Nofil is here. Now, Cheryl,
Oh,
now
he has a brother too.
yeah, everybody wants to meet your golden retriever. Is that golden retriever now?
Yeah, that's a lab actually, and I pushed him out of the bedroom because he seeks a lot of attention.
Absolutely. Now the whole attention is shifted from the teacher to your lab now. So everyone wants to meet him.
Get him at the end of the session.
Absolutely.
I surely will get him at the end of the session.
All right, this is brilliant. Thank you so much for being here. So here I present to you your mentor, your instructor for today. It's Sharon Allen. She is a primary teacher at JBCN, but more importantly, a creative singer, an artist, a designer, and a great storyteller. Sharon, thank you so much for coming here.
My pleasure, my pleasure. I'm so glad that you invited me. And you know, it's hard to connect to students in the vacations.
Absolutely.
I mean, this is one golden day out of all the days where I actually get to connect to a bunch of students, because all this while, even my kids are on vacation and we've been planning and doing other schoolwork, but I've not seen any faces, any little faces, and I'm very glad to be here today. Thank you, sir.
No, this is wonderful. These are kids from all over. So most of us, you know, my college friends, when we grew up, we had a simple idea that what are they doing? So some of them settled in Singapore, some in Chennai, some in Kolkata, most of them in Mumbai, Gulf, a lot of them. I said, okay, we'll do a pilot hub schooling program. And this is how this is the 4th week that they're very regular, and they are, you know, you will have a good time with the energy here. So the floor is all yours, Cheryl. Go ahead, please.
Wow. So basically, these students are from where exactly? I didn't get you.
All right. So, for example, Mohammed Saqib, he's in Dubai. There is Saad who will come down from Qatar. A lot of them are from Mumbai here. So we've got Muhammad, Ashfaq, Yahya, Ibrahim, Humaira, Aisha. They are from Mumbai. There is a girl who will be joining us all the way from Kolkata. There is one boy from Raja Palayam from Tamil Nadu. I think Umar will come in from Singapore. So there you are. You have an entire.
Wow. I mean, what a pleasure to connect to kids from all around the world. Nice. I'm going to have a nice time. I'm ready for it. So you will help me with sharing the screen?
Absolutely. You want me to share the screen?
So Listen, you guys can unmute yourselves for at least a minute. Say a good afternoon. I want to hear you all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Welcome. So my name is Miss Cheryl, okay?
Afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, my name is Miss Cheryl, and I believe you guys are having some extraordinary, wonderful names, which I will get to discover by the end of this session. Okay? So the first thing that I want all of you to do is it a lazy afternoon or it's a happy afternoon? You tell me.
Happy.
Feeling
Happy.
lazy, sad, are you feeling energetic? What do you feel like?
Energetic.
Energetic? Let's use the energy then. Come on, let's use the energy. So, can you help me share the screen?
I'll do that, right. 1 minute. Just send share the screen request, and I think it should be okay.
Okay, 1 second.
Can you share it? Right, Sana, we missed you. Right, Sana from Saudi, Aisha. Can you share this?
So you are sharing it or you want me to share it?
I wanted you to share because I think you made some changes, but
But it's saying host disabled participant to screen sharing.
there is some challenge here. Is it okay if I share from my end?
Yeah,
And then-
perfect.
yeah,
Go ahead.
as long as
I want you to
it's
play the first song.
Okay, here you are. And the one you have shared with me, the
Okay, so I have something to say to you. All of us keep saying hello, how are you? And WhatsApp and all these days. So I want you to greet each other saying konnichiwa. What will you say?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. I want to hear you guys say, unmute yourselves.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa means hello in Japanese, okay? Konnichiwa means hello in Japanese. So the next time you meet someone, instead of saying a hello, it's like konnichiwa. Okay? So I am going to play a song. I want you to leave your seats, get up and dance with me. Ready? See, I'm not a very good dancer, but I'm going to try, and I also want you to try. Don't think of, nobody is judging you here, okay? So leave your seats. So we'll play a track for us and we are going to dance.
okay. Is that the one that you shared with me?
Yes, there's a link.
There you are. I'm on the link now.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. I'll just share it. Okay, we are on the screen. Can you hear? Are you there?
No, not this one. Not
Oh,
this one. Not this one.
Oh, the one that you sent. Could you please send me in the chat again?
1 second.
Is that the one that you sent on the chat last time? Okay, we've got a full house here. Cool.
Everybody is here. Everybody joined in.
Yes, everyone's around and they're all here. The only thing
Sir,
we need is
it's in the second slide. There's a link there.
okay, second slide itself. Yes, I can see that. Hold on.
Juveria, wow.
There you are in a minute. So perfect. Yeah.
Hey, ready? All of you, leave your seats. Don't cling on to your seats. Get up and dance.
Tell me, and I'll be switching it on.
Switch it on, sir. Switch it on. We're ready.
Heart, body, and mind.
Can you all hear me?
Body Boogie from Get Funky and Musical
I
Fun
hope you guys are going to join me dancing, okay? Come on, start.
by The Learning Station.
Here we are at YouTube Space LA. Let's go inside to see if the weightlifters can really body boogie. Let's body boogie, you and me will shake and boogie easily. Shake your head from the top, count to 3 and then we'll stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Now shake it to the right, shake it to the left. Turn 1 time, step, 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 go.
Get up, leave your seat.
I'm gonna go inside the screening room to see if the comedy channels can really get.
Are we going good? You want to continue?
I think there are a lot of them who are sitting down.
Okay.
What makes you guys stand and move yourselves, move your bodies? Are they shy?
I think yes.
Nobody's looking at you. Nobody's looking at you. Okay, get up and dance. You're gonna feel good in a minute.
There you are. Everyone's a little shy. I think it's okay. So go ahead.
Yes, sir.
It to the right, shake it to the left. Turn 1 time, step, 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 go.
I'm gonna go inside the green room.
Okay. I think once they know you, they'll be more comfortable. I'll just let them come better themselves.
Yes. Back to your seats. I could see 2-3 of them dancing though. They enjoyed. Yes.
No,
okay. Coming back to the slide. So slide number 3, please.
Yes. Yeah. There you are. Can you see the slide?
No, I'm not able to see it.
I'll reshare it and you can see it. They're all back and okay, here you are. All of you. You shoot them up. It's nice, Cheryl.
Okay, so guys, I am going to tell you a story. Okay, and for that, I want you to flaunt your listening skills. Now, how are you going to flaunt your listening skills? By being good listeners. Okay. Concentrate, listen to everything that I have to tell you. It's a wonderful story you are going to enjoy. So, sir, can I have you click on the screen and open the story link?
Story link there. Okay.
Yes.
1 minute. Let me stop the annotation. There are some annotations out there. 1 minute. Hold on. Okay. And here you are. The story link opens up. Can you see the story viewer screen?
It's loading.
Yeah, okay. I have opened it up. Okay.
No problem.
Will there be read the story section? Can I go to read the story? Is that what you're saying? Cheryl, should I go to read the
Speaking.
No, I'm not able to view it, sir. It's still showing me a blue round.
Right, 1 minute. Have a look at this now. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now
Should I go to read the story or?
Read the story. I just want the first cover page.
Okay, then this is good, right?
Yes.
This is good. Okay, here you are. This is good. Rhyming grandpa.
Okay, so this story, children, is titled Rhyming Grandpa. Okay, if you look at the cover page, look at it very carefully. I'm giving you around 30 seconds to look at the cover page very, very carefully. The author has titled the story Rhyming Grandpa. Now look at the title and look at the illustration on the cover page. And I want you to tell me, what do you think made this author name this story or title this story Rhyming Grandpa? Why do you think she titled this story Rhyming Grandpa? Okay, you can use your chat boxes.
They've learned how to unmute if whatever is comfortable for them. You want me to run through some of them?
Yeah, sure, sir. Do that. Help me.
Okay, there you are. I think, all right. Sana says it's colorful. Ibrahim
Because
says,
the grandpa is poet.
okay. All right. Keep telling our names also. just tell your name before you start so that your
Anas.
okay. Anas says that because the grandpa is a poet.
So colorful.
All right.
Okay, you think
Yeah,
the grandpa is a poet, so she calls him so she's titled the story Rhyming Grandpa. Very good.
Muhammad, go ahead. Mohammadi, go ahead.
The grandpa. He used to rhyme everything he says.
Okay, so you believe he rhymes everything he has to say, so she's calling him Rhyming Grandpa. Okay. Anything else about the cover page that makes you wonder?
There is Ibrahim. Can I go to Ibrahim Sadiq? 1 minute. I'll go to. Yeah, Ibrahim, can you mute, please? And unmute. I can't unmute you, Ibrahim. Okay, I'll run to Juwaria. Tell me.
I think so. The grandma is very cheerful and he likes to sing and dance, so he is named Rhyming Grandpa. He like teacher.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm coming to you. There, Cheryl, did you hear that? Any comments?
Yes, yes, I heard. That was a lovely answer.
Okay, Juppy. Aisha, Ibrahim, can you now speak up? Yeah, you unmuted. Go ahead, Ibrahim Sadiq.
He like rhymes to sing the rhyme.
He likes rhymes. Okay. So you
Okay.
say that he likes rhymes, so he's called Rhyming Grandpa.
Right. Okay, Juwaria and Ibrahim, unmute yourself, please. Aisha Aga, go ahead.
He likes rhymes.
Because
He
he's
likes rhymes. Okay, so I'm going to take 20 seconds of your time and I'm going to be back. Okay, stay here. I'm going to be back. Give me 20 seconds.
All right, fine. Okay, how many of you, let me see how many of you actually dance this way. I'll catch you all. It was fun. Okay, now, by the way, who all saw her big Labrador? Is that Labrador? How do you pronounce it? The big dog. Golden. How many of you saw? Ma'ams. So she said she'll introduce her. The Jumpy saw. Did you, the ones who came in from Muhammad, you must have seen. Okay. How are you, Saida Mariam? Good? That's nice. Good to see you. Oh, Fahim, we missed you a couple of classes, Fahim. I don't know. Did you? Okay, grandpa likes to rhyme. That's what you say. Okay, Aisha and Ammar. He has all the rhyming things. That's good. Ibrahim Rizwani, your mom rhymes all the time. She speaks in rhymes, right? Unmute and speak up.
Actually, she's a code, and I think that the grandpa he likes to make everyone laugh.
Okay, all right. That's nice. Okay, good. Nice. All right. What else? Hey, Aisha, there you are. It's Aisha and Juwaria chatting out there. Hi, Juwaria, Aisha, Kazi writes. I want to catch you. And there is Ibrahim who chats with his friends. Hi, Zaid. How are you? What's up? Okay, good. Abdullah, how are you, Abdullah? Haven't seen you for long. Hi, Abdullah. Yeah, Abdullah, there you are. Okay, I'm sorry. Saad, you just got up. How are you, Saad?
Bye.
Saad, you okay? I heard you had a lot of cough and cold. Now you okay now?
Yeah.
I'm back.
All right, so ma'am is there. Lafira, how are you? Fine, all right, okay. There you are, Cheryl. We wanted to know the name of your pet also before, but then it's all yours. Go ahead.
Okay, so can you start turn the pages of the book here?
Okay, I will do that. I'll just share the share. You want me to go to the website and then okay, the book is here. What do you want me to do, Cheryl?
Start. I want to read the book now, so you just click on the book and start.
Okay, is it a book? Yeah. You can see the book. All right, here we are.
Rhyming Grandpa. This book is authored by Nazia Jabin. The illustrator is Monobendro Golder. And I think the story was written in another language. So we have Alicia Berger who has translated this story in English for us. A big thank you to them. And let's start reading the book.
Hold on, guys. I'm just muting. Just all of you mute yourself except the teacher. Okay, Kanta ma'am says his beard is trimmed like the rhyme scene.
Oh.
Okay. Right.
Ibrahim, yes, I think everybody is muted. Rhyming Grandpa has such a long nose. His eyes are round and this big. He wears a shirt in all the colors of the rainbow. And whenever he opens his mouth, rhymes flow. Hello, I'm Grandpa and I have a song. I sing in rhyme, I sing all day long. This is how Grandpa spends his day. First, he says a special hello to the morning. Sleep ran away, am awake, returned from a hazy stir. I dreamed of dreamy drawings and of cats in yellow fur. Rhyming Grandpa gets up early in the morning. He walks through the grass and talks to the blades. Look how you grow, my little green loves, from seeds to grass to art. Like me when you find an open sky, you breathe to fill your thirsty heart. How does Grandpa think of all these rhymes? As soon as one rhyme ends, another one begins. They live together like you and me, lovely doves who sing up in the trees, while grasshoppers jump around below. We're one big crazy family. After greeting nature, Rhyming Grandpa puts on his jaunty hat. Lollipops swing from its rim. His friends soon begin to join him. Owl is always first. He loves to pick a lollipop from Grandpa's wonderful hat. Grandpa says, good morning, my little friend. To see you is a treat. I also make a perfect friend, for even my hat is sweet. Wow, what a lovely creative hat Grandpa wears. I mean, I've never even imagined hanging lollipops in my hat. Do you know who else accompanies Grandpa? Baby elephant, who is as white as snow. Then their friends start off. Then all these friends start off. They visit several villages on their daily walks together. And the villagers wait eagerly for Grandpa to pass by. They all love his walking rhyme. I walk, I talk, I say hello. I talk, I walk, away I go. Owl cries, hoot, hoot, tell me another, says Grandpa. No matter what you think, we, the old, the strange, the wise, we've got magic up our sleeves. Can't you see it in our eyes? Baby elephant dances with the rhythm of Grandpa's rhyme. Oh, hooray, she says. It's time for an adventure. Rhyming Grandpa, I think, has the craziest of friends. One adventure is on the sea. Rhyming Grandpa rides on whales. Wow. He is pretty adventurous if you look at him here. There's something we notice about this illustration. I really like it. Can you unmute yourselves and tell me what is it that you like about this illustration? And something that you notice here.
Who wants to go in?
The lollipops are.
Humaira. Go ahead, Humaira. The lollipops are all falling down.
Yes. Yes.
He
And something not very usual that you see over here.
Who wants to go? Yeah, Lafira, go ahead. Aisha, Kazi, go ahead.
Elephant sitting on the wheel.
An elephant sitting on a whale, right? And a human being himself sitting on a whale. Has anybody tried this ever?
No.
No.
Any of you who sat on an elephant?
No. No.
Never?
I only said yes.
Someone said something.
No. Ma'am, elephant look like small.
The elephant here looks tiny. Yes, it's a baby elephant. So back when I went to Kerala, that's my dad's hometown. You know, we sat on an elephant there. My sister and me. It was like a very jolly ride that we had. It was huge. He was huge. This is a baby elephant you see here, but yes, the ride was a jolly one. Here, my children, take them all. Ride waves with a lollipop. Take a bite. Fill your mouths. Make sure it doesn't drop. Another adventures in the sky. Whoosh! Grandpa's flying. He's holding on to Owl. But
The elephant.
where did your wings come from, Sister Elephant?
Wait, what?
Passing duck calls out, where did your wings come from, Sister Elephant? Where do you think Sister Elephant got her wings from? You look at the picture, she has a pair of wings. From where do you think she got her wings?
Wants to
Anybody?
answer that?
Anybody who wants to try and answer?
Yahya, Jasiya.
Ma'am, I didn't hear the story.
Okay, look at the page. Look at the page. Look at the illustration. Look at the picture of this story. Look at the picture that's
Aisha
there.
says she's never seen a whale.
Even I haven't seen a real one, though I saw a dolphin. I saw many dolphins this time, and that was one different sea,
Ma'am,
Yes.
elephant is flying with her wings.
Yes, it has wings, and that's not something we usually see, right? Okay, so next slide.
Okay, all right. There you are.
The three friends laugh. Grandpa says, those who laugh with open hearts can do anything they try. A little trust, a little hope, and anyone can fly. So Grandpa here believes anyone can fly. But what makes him believe anyone can fly? He says anyone can fly, but what do you need to have to be able to fly? Look at Grandpa's lines. What is Grandpa saying? Those who laugh with open hearts can do anything they try. A little trust, a little hope, and anyone can fly. What do you need in order to fly?
Wings. Trust
Open heart.
and hope.
You need an
If you dream big.
heart. Yes, you need to be. You need to be a jolly
One
person.
who
You want
laughs
to be able to
with-
trust.
One who laughs with open hearts.
Yes, and anyone can fly. So, what made this elephant fly? You understood now? What did this elephant have in her? What made her fly? She had an open heart. She had trust.
Hurry.
Mufta
Yes,
says
so next slide.
imagination. Aisha says trust. Okay.
When
There you are, ma'am.
school gets out, Grandpa's on the playground. Wow. Now the children laugh and sing rhymes. And sing a rhyme they made themselves. Wow. Welcome, Grandpa and your friends. You know how old you seem. We run, we kick, we try to score, but the goals are all your team. Oh, so this is what the children sing when Grandpa comes on the playground. Can you tell me, what are the children trying to say here?
Go ahead. Zara, Ibrahim, Juwadia, you can unmute. Muhammad. Unmute
They
and speak
ruined the
up.
game.
Fahim.
I'm
In
reading
that
line
Grandpa is
6 and
playing
welcome
once.
Grandpa and your friends. You know how old you seem. We run, we kick, we try to score, but the goals are all your team.
Yes, the kids are trying to say that when they score, try to score the goal, but they cannot because the grandpa is a very nice player and he's old. Then also he plays very nice.
Oh, yes. So
The
Grandpa
children
has a
tried
team.
to
And who is a
score.
part of Grandpa's team here? Who are on
Baby
Grandpa's
The
team?
elephant,
owl
baby
and the
elephant.
baby elephant.
Baby
The owl,
baby
And
elephant.
the owl. And these
Baby
two
elephant
people
the
remain
owl and
such
the
a
baby
strong team.
elephant.
Owl and baby elephant.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Whoa, lovely. And you know, Grandpa has it all on his team. In spite of so many kids being there in a team, Grandpa always manages to score the goals.
When the children try to score the goals, then Grandpa comes and scores the goals
Ah,
with
Aisha.
his team.
Yes, Aisha, yes.
He is Ronaldo's father.
On the way home from school,
Ronaldo.
the children all huddle around Grandpa. Can you see them in the picture there? He always has one last rhyme. Children, you must understand. You must one day come to see. To hold your time with elders close. For Grandpa won't forever be. So he's saying, children, you must understand. You must one day come to see. To hold your time with elders close. For Grandpa won't be there forever. So hold the time that you have with these elderly people, the elderly people. Have fun with them as much as you can because grandpas, grandmas, and all the elderly, they won't be there forever. One morning, when Grandpa awakes, he hears a cricket's music. The music helps Grandpa make a new song. Just past dawn, a cricket sings. He sings my song of love. In this world, we are all together, whether here, below, or above. A cricket is an insect. Can you see the cricket there behind the green bushes?
Yes.
And this cricket
Yes.
helps Grandpa to make a new song. And I think,
Yes, I can see.
yes, and I think this song is the most beautiful song that Grandpa sung in the entire story. Just past dawn, a cricket sings. He sings my song of love. In this world, we all are together. Even though Grandpa, our grandparents, they leave us after a while, but we still are all a part of one world. Whether they are above, whether they are with us in this planet, we are all a part of one world. Grandpa doesn't walk by the village that day. Children look for him everywhere. Children start looking for Grandpa everywhere. But Grandpa is nowhere to be found. Where did Rhyming Grandpa go? Where did Rhyming Grandpa go? They ask. Mother, can't you bring Grandpa to us? How we miss his rhymes. Perhaps, Mother says, Rhyming Grandpa is far away now. Perhaps he has traveled to another country on a grand adventure we can imagine together. Mother sings, he played new games and rhymes new rhymes for children in other lands. Listen close, you will hear them laugh. With Grandpa, they're in good hands. She says, he plays new games now, and he has new rhymes for children who are in other lands. Listen closely. You'll hear them laugh, because with grandpa around, they're in good hands. They're in hands of grandpa, which are the safest hands, I believe. And this was the end of the story of rhyming grandpa. You all have grandparents. So few of you may be having grandparents who live away from you. Few of you have grandparents who live with you. Anybody who's living with their grandparents?
Yes. Me.
Oh wow! So you live with your grandparents, right? So any of you who does not have a grandparent here?
My grandfather is in India.
Your grandfather is in India? Oh, perfect. Then I'm going to go and meet your grandfather today in the evening.
Miss, my grandparents are also in India.
Wow, wow. So I'm going to see a good number of grandparents.
My grandparents also in the India. My grandparents also in India.
Okay, Ibrahim. Okay.
My grandparents also in India.
Okay, perfect. So all of you have grandparents. Any of you who don't have grandparents?
I live in India with my grandparents.
Oh, wow.
I live in India and my grandparents in my home.
So I'm going to give you a task. Okay, in the meantime, sir, can we go back to the PPT?
Oh yeah, me too.
Did you enjoy this story? Did you like the story?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Do you also have rhyming grandpas at home? Do your grandpas rhyme?
I like it.
So your grandpas also
Sometimes.
rhyming over at home? No? This was a funny one, right? This grandpa was a really funny one, and he was such a jolly, open-hearted person. I really love the fact that, he made everybody happy. Wherever he went, it could be the birds, animals, the people in the villages, children, everybody who met rhyming grandpa were so glad and so happy. So the next slide.
Is this fine? Shall I go ahead?
Okay, so who was the main character of the story? Write your answers in the chat box. Come on, I'm here.
Grandpa. Rhyming grandpa.
Rhyming grandpa.
Oh, so Yusuf has to say that his grandpa scolds a lot.
Rhyming grandpa. Rhyming
grandpa.
Rhyming grandpa.
Absolutely. The main character of the story is the character
Rhyming.
who plays the most important role in the story. Yes. And in this story, we have the main character who is there throughout the story with us is rhyming grandpa. Perfect. So do you have a paper with you? So next slide. Do you have a paper with you? A paper, a pen, a pencil?
Paper. Yes.
Quickly get one.
Yes. Ma'am, we want to write.
I'll tell you what to do. Okay, so in the meantime, while you arrange for paper, a pencil, or a pen, in the meantime, I have one question for you. Okay, so I want to select any one person as rhyming grandpa now. Who wants to become rhyming grandpa? Come on. Okay, so do you want to listen to the activity first and then decide if you want to become rhyming grandpa?
Yes.
That will help you. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to step into rhyming grandpa's shoe. Okay, if I select you, like example, if I select Hamza, if I select Hamza to be rhyming grandpa, Hamza will not be Hamza. Hamza is going to become rhyming grandpa, and what the rest of us are going to do? The rest of us are going to ask questions to rhyming grandpa. Whatever you want to know. You've asked, I've read the whole story for you. It has 17 pages. We know so much about rhyming grandpa now. So as soon as I pick a rhyming grandpa, you all are going to be free to shoot your questions to rhyming grandpa, and rhyming grandpa is going to answer the questions for us. Ready?
Yes.
It's not a very difficult activity. Who wants to be rhyming grandpa? Come on, quickly. Me. Sir, you can pick anyone you like.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mute the rest of them. So we'll have a lot of, and then we'll pick up a couple of them. 1 minute. Let me just unmute you, Cheryl, ma'am. There you are. You are unmuted. And you want me to pick two of them?
Yeah, 2 of them or 1 of them. Anybody will do.
Okay, you raise your hands and we'll come to you, right? So who's
Yeah,
going
so
to...
I want you to pick any one. Pick one child who will be rhyming grandpa, and the rest of them can shoot their questions.
All right, so who wants to be... Okay, Abdullah wants to be the rhyming grandpa. Okay. Yes, Abdullah Patel, you're the rhyming grandpa right now. Unmute yourself. Hold on, I'm unmuting you. Yeah, Abdullah, you're unmuted. Others,
So
you can...
Abdullah, you are not Abdullah right now, okay? Rhyming grandpa. Okay, so rhyming grandpa, we are here to ask you questions. I believe your journey was a very, it was a wonderful one. You made everybody so happy. So the first question is going to be asked by Fahim.
Okay, Fahim, go ahead, unmute yourself and ask. Salim, Fahim, I'll come to everybody. So I'm disabling the chat so you all are focused here. So no one can chat to no one. All right, wait a minute. Can you all unmute yourself? I'll just unmute you all one more time. Just give me a minute. I'm going to mute everybody. Yeah, Fahim, go ahead. Unmute yourself and ask. Fahim's there? Not there? Okay.
So who is the rhyming grandpa now?
Abdullah is the rhyming grandpa. So,
Abdullah,
okay.
where are you? Abdullah, say hello in grandpa's voice.
Hello.
Oh, yes, I heard rhyming grandpa.
Okay, Yahya, yeah, who is there? Yahya, go ahead, ask your question. Whoever is on the screen. Yahya, unmute and ask.
Sir, I can't listen.
Okay, you can't hear. Okay.
I did not understand.
Okay, so now Abdullah is your rhyming grandpa. Your ma'am just explained. You have to ask a question to him. Lafira wants to ask a question. Hold on, I'm going to you, Lafira. Speak.
Why does rhyming grandpa like nature?
Lafira, we could not hear you. Can you speak again, please?
Why does rhyming grandpa like nature?
Cheryl, did you understand?
Why did rhyming grandpa like something? Lafira, if you don't mind, can you type your question in the chat box? It will be easier for us to understand because your voice is echoing, my dear. Anybody else who wants to ask a question? I'm going to shoot my question.
All right. Maybe, Cheryl, you should start with the first couple of questions and then better. You start the process.
Rhyming grandpa, I want to know who was the friend, if you had a choice to choose between the 2 friends, the owl and the baby elephant, whom would you choose?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. I can't hear you.
Can I ask a question?
Okay, go ahead. Mohammed, go ahead.
How do rhymes come in your mind?
Fahim is asking, why do you always rhyme? Did you hear that, Abdullah?
How do rhymes come in
No.
No? Okay, Abdullah,
Come to your mind.
I'm just muting you, Abdullah, for a while. I think there is a lag in his voice as well. Let me go to someone who can be a grandpa and there's no lag with. Sana has asked you a question. Can I go to someone else becoming a grandpa?
Sure, sir.
Quickly, let me go to someone. Can I have Ibrahim? Can you be my grandpa?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so Ibrahim is a new grandpa. Ibrahim, your first question is, if you had to choose a friend between an owl and an elephant, who would you be friends with? Is that right, Cheryl?
Yes.
I would choose owl because he sits on my shoulders and he was my best friend from long ago. And he sits on my shoulders and I like him.
Okay, perfect rhyming grandpa. We have Another question which was asked by someone, rhyming grandpa, how do rhymes come to your mind? How do you always manage to rhyme everything?
Creatively, and when I see things, I just make it pop out and it becomes a rhyme.
Wow, rhyming grandpa, I was so surprised to see all the rhymes you've written. They were so good. Your voice was so good. I enjoyed hearing them. Anyone else who wants to ask rhyming grandpa questions?
So now, okay, Aisha Aga wants to ask. Aisha Aga, unmute yourself and ask. Yeah.
Why do you have to rhyme?
Can I ask?
Why do you have to rhyme? Okay, I will change it. I'm going to make Cheryl the grandpa and you have to answer it.
Perfect. Come on. I think Muhammad had a question. Muhammad, come ask me.
Aisha asked a question. I'm unmuting Aisha once more time. Aisha, ask your question. Aisha Aga.
Why do you have to rhyme?
I have to rhyme everything. You know, everybody I see used to always talk very normally. I wanted to be different from the rest of the people in the world. So I decided to rhyme and sing everything.
Okay. We want a grandpa's voice, Cheryl. Okay.
Oh, I'll come with it.
Who is the next? Okay, yeah. Who else is?
Can
Okay.
I ask?
Yeah, Ibrahim asked, and I'm coming to you, Fahim, 1 minute. Yeah, Ibrahim, ask the question quickly.
Rhyming grandpa, you were playing football with the children, and how could you play football when you're so old? You didn't have to.
You know what? I was trained by Lionel Messi when I was young.
I can say.
And I have been eating food. I've been eating healthy food ever since I was a child. I don't eat junk food at all. So my bones are still strong and healthy.
Can I say?
Wait a minute, Arsalan. Ibrahim Sadiq, Fahim was waiting for long. Yeah, Fahim, go ahead.
Why does he have strange friends?
Why does he have strange friends is what you're asking?
Yes.
Yes.
You know what, Fahim? The point is that all human beings have friends who are humans, you see. And I'm uniquely created by God. I believed in making friends with all the animals and insects and birds around.
I actually like Sana's question. Sana Fatima, I can't see. Yeah, they a lovely question. Go ahead. Please ask your question, Sana Fatima.
What rhymes with grandpa?
That beard question was even better, Sana.
What rhymes with grandpa?
Oh. Yeah.
That is a very nice question. This is going to make grandpa think now. What rhymes with grandpa?
All right. Salim, you want to ask a question, Salim? No?
Where did grandpa go at the end of the story? Jazia is asking, where did grandpa go at the end of the story? Jazia, after some time, everybody in the world had seen me. You know, everybody in the world met me and they had fun with me. So now God told me, come on, you need to be with the angels. The angels also need to hear some lovely rhymes and enjoy their time. So I flew back to the sky and I now live with the angels.
Okay, Humaira,
So
want to ask?
we'll go to the next activity
Okay.
quickly.
Yes.
Can I say? Last.
Hold on, we're going to the next one. There's something else coming your way. Right, Cheryl. There's she.
So now what I want you to do is quickly take a paper. Draw two circles. If you look at this, on your screen here, there are two circles. Draw one circle, and then the next circle has to overlap that circle. Yes, Ibrahim, they were Rancho lollipops, strawberry flavored.
Ma'am, I can't.
Humaira, are you able to look at the screen?
Yes.
Yes. So
My
one
work
will
is
be
done.
if you have a grandpa, okay, if you have a grandma, choose any one grandparent. Okay. So in the left circle, in one circle, you are going to write about your grandpa. in the right circle, you will write about rhyming grandpa, okay, the one that was in the story. And in the between part, the middle part, you see that intersecting part over there? Yes, where two circles are meeting and it's forming a different shape over there in between. In that part, you are going to write something that you know is similar in your grandma or grandpa and rhyming grandpa. Think. First, you start with writing about your grandma or grandpa. Write at least 2-3 things. And then in the right circle, you write 2-3 things that you really liked or some quality that you saw in rhyming grandpa.
So directly तुम्हारे grandpa.
And you can leave the overlapping part. Finish this much first. You know, even I want to do this activity. Let me search for a book or a pen.
What we have to do, I didn't listen.
Who is that? Yes, I'll explain you again. Who is that?
What we have to do?
Okay, so what you need to do here is you need to draw 2 circles. Can you see the screen here?
Yeah, you can see the screen. Yeah, the screen is shared.
Yeah, so you draw 2 circles, draw 1 circle, draw the next circle, which will, overlap the first circle. And in 1 circle, you will write about your grandma or grandpa. And in the other circle, you will write about the rhyming grandpa that we heard of in the story. Leave the middle part, the middle shape that has been formed because the 2 circles meet. You leave that part. Anybody who has completed the activity, at least 2 parts so far?
Draw the two. Ma'am, I draw the 2 circles.
Ma'am, I finished writing about my
Ma'am,
grandpa.
my work is
Oh,
done.
you finished writing
I
about
wrote
your
everything.
grandpa? Okay, so now you know what? You
Ma'am,
can
my
write
work
about
is done.
rhyming
I wrote
grandpa.
everything.
Yeah, Aisha, all right.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Hamza.
What should I do next?
You finished
Ma'am,
this
I
much?
made-
Okay, in the part that you see in the middle over there,
Yes.
yeah, what, you need to give this at least 10 minutes. Think about it. What do you think is similar between rhyming grandpa and your grandpa or grandma? Something that I'm sure there's at least something that's similar between the 2 of them. You know, if I talk about, you need to write it there, darling. Write it down there. I'll ask for your work. I can, look at your work later. So you know what? I'll share something that is similar between my grandma and rhyming grandpa. So my grandma used to always make everybody laugh. Obviously, she used to not sing rhymes and go around in the streets and meet people. But whenever we were at home, we used to sit at our dinner table or something. My grandma always had funny things to say, and all the family members used to laugh. She was very funny. So I think rhyming grandpa and my grandma were both funny. So I'm going to write it in the middle because that's something similar between both of them. Another similarity that I see between my grandma and rhyming grandpa is playing with children. Even though my grandma was very old, while you were writing, you can listen to me. Even though my grandma was very old, you know what we used to do? So my grandma used to live in Mangalore in the state of Karnataka in India. We used to go there every summer vacation. So we.
This is my mother leaves.
Is it? So I used to, so instead of balls, we used to take these little coconuts that used to fall from the coconut tree. And we used to play football. Or we used to play bat and ball with those coconuts. The smaller coconuts used for cricket. and the bigger coconuts used for basketball.
I'm done.
All right. Hold on. There is a Cheryl. Go ahead first. I'll just mute everybody so they can.
So you have completed your work. So sir, I just want any one person.
1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Cheryl, 1 minute. Hold on. You just. Yes. Tell me, please.
So I want any one child to share what they have written. Somebody who hasn't spoken at all, maybe.
Perfect. All right. Let me just go to. There is Umar there. Umar, yeah, I cannot see a video, but Umar's there. Salim's there. Even Zara hasn't spoken. Zara, come on. Zara, what have you written? Okay, Hamza, I'm coming to you, Hamza. Yeah, go ahead, Hamza. 1 minute. Can I unmute Hamza? Just a minute. I'll come to one of those.
Hamza, I want you to first read what you have written about your grandparent. Then you read what you have written about rhyming grandpa, and then you read what you find similar between the both of them. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm allowing you all to unmute yourself. Okay, Hamza. Then I'll come to you, Muhammad. Yeah, Muhammad Saqib, welcome to you. Hamza, go ahead. Speak up. Unmute and speak up.
Oh, he hasn't unmuted himself.
He has now. Yeah. Speak up, Hamza.
They both are old.
Perfect. So they both are old. That comes, yes, that is similar. Both of them are old, yes. What have you written about your grandparent?
I have done. Yeah, here I
Okay, yeah, hold on.
They play with kids.
Can I, man?
Hold on. I'll come to you. Just keep raising your hands. Muhammad Saqib, I'm coming to you now. Speak up.
My grandpa is a caring person. He's very good in maths and he's a quiet person. So he doesn't talk much.
Oh, wow.
Rhyming grandpa loves to make strange friends and loves to sing rhymes.
Okay.
Both, I think and hope, my grandpa and also the rhyming grandpa makes us do anything.
Nice.
Perfect. Mohammed, I'm so impressed with your work. I love the fact that you've written so well about your grandpa. Oh, you know your grandpa quite well. He's good at mathematics. Wow, he's a mathematician. Anybody else?
Sakina has raised a hand. She hasn't spoken. Sakina, speak up. We would love to see your camera on, but speak up.
Sir, he was humorous and adventurous, and he loved to travel, and he was loving.
Perfect. What about your grandpa?
He loved those things.
Okay, and what about rhyming grandpa?
Rhyming grandpa was adventurous, and he was rhyming, and he loved poetry.
He loved poetry. Yes, he did. Yeah, that was quite evident in our story. Okay, so I want to look at everybody's work. You can share it.
Can I
with
take
later,
one more?
so sir
Rushda hasn't spoken. Can I go to Rushda? Sharon?
Sure, sir.
It's
Sure.
so wonderful, I think. Yeah, go ahead, Rushda.
Rushda, nice name.
My grandma is funny, hardworking, and caring. And rhyming grandpa is poetic, crazy, and mood-lifting. But they both are old and strong.
Lovely, Rushda. Very well written. Very well written. Okay, thank you for sharing this.
I want everyone to speak, but Juwaria, Humaira, hold on. Let's go to Cheryl, ma'am. And we'll let you all record it and send it across to us. Is it fine?
Perfect. I'll really like to see it, or even a picture of their work, whatever seems convenient, sir. Please, I'd like to see everybody's work, so please share it with me.
Perfect. Sana, Aisha, Juwaria, Humaira, all of you girls, all of you, by the way, will do it on the recording. Go ahead, Cheryl, please.
So go to the next slide quickly.
Okay. Yeah. We got brain gym. Okay,
so I think, sir, how much time do we have left?
We actually are exhausted. It's just 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, so take it to the last slide. It's okay.
This one?
No. So what makes your grandparents special is something you can write and share it with me on that same paper. What makes your grandparents special? Something that you really, really love about your grandparents. You can write a sentence about it on that same paper and share it.
Make me happy.
Yeah,
Oh, they make
Ibrahim.
you happy, yes. Grandparents indeed are known for
Grandparents,
making others.
they always play with me.
Yeah, Hamza, Humaira, Arsalan. Go ahead, Humaira, speak up. There's something she's really saying. Go ahead, Humaira.
They tell me stories.
Okay, Arsalan.
My grandfather buy for us so many stuff without seeing the price of money.
Sorry, Cheryl. Please go ahead. There's the last slide in front of
He
you.
tell me stories.
Okay, Yahya.
Of profit.
Tell us stories. Yes, and grandparents are the best storytellers, I believe. Yes. So take it to the last slide. We'll end it because any which ways I think.
to do homeworks.
This one?
Okay. So what I want you to do is
My
I will send you a
grandparents
link
and
of
I go
mail.
to
I want you to do
the
that. Okay,
mountain.
kids, listen to me, all of you. Listening, everybody's listening. Show me your hand. Show me your palm if you're listening to me. Perfect. I want you to leave your pencil, your paper, and everything away. Okay, leave everything away, and I want you to just sit comfortably. Forget everything. Don't let anything trouble you right now. Don't fidget with anything. Just sit comfortably in a position. Sir, I want you to play the music, and I'll just take 2 minutes.
Okay. Stopping the screen. I'll go to the next one, right?
I sent you a link.
Yeah. I have it open. Just a minute.
So as soon as the music starts, I want all of you to just close your eyes and listen.
Here we are.
All eyes closed. Listen and follow along with me. Sit tall. You can be on the ground or you can have your legs crossed. Or you can just sit on your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Imagine you are looking up at the sky, and up in the sky, you see a balloon. If you like, you can choose a color for your balloon. Keep the picture of the balloon in front of your eyes. The balloon string reaches all the way down to your hand. Hold on to the string of the balloon. Imagine that you can feel the pull. You're holding the string of the balloon. Imagine the wind pushes it from side to side. Or imagine that the wind actually tries to pull the balloon higher into the sky. Maybe you can feel the gentle tugging of the strings in your hand. Now that this lovely balloon that you have held in your hands, try to bring the balloon down. Be careful to go slowly. Of course, you don't want the string of the balloon to break. Take your time. Imagine that you are gently pulling the string, hand over hand, and the string collects in a pile at your feet. Hand over hand, pull and gently pull. The balloon appears to come closer to you. It might even become easier to bring it down to your mind. Just bring it down at your speed and focus on your balloon. Your colorful balloon is now within your reach. Now hold the balloon in your hand. Notice where your mind goes. Sit quietly for a minute and take 3 deep breaths with me. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. I want all of you to breathe. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Take a slow breathe in and breathe out very slowly. Take your breath in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Gently open your eyes. I so wish I had all of you in front of me. I have seen everybody, but I haven't seen all of you enough. Anyway, I really, so you can go back to the PPT. I had a very, very nice time with all of you.
You want me to close it? Okay.
Yeah. Stop this and you can go back to the PPT to the last slide. I really had a very nice time with all of you. It was nice to see each of you listening to me, taking turns and speaking, coming up with such lovely, wonderful answers. I hope all of you enjoyed. And if I get a chance to meet you again, nothing like it. I had a lot more planned, but then yes, our time was quite limited. So thank you each and every one of you for being such a wonderful group of learners.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Cheryl. It was amazing. I got all this amazing feedback from the parents. It was wonderful. All of you, can you show me a thumbs up if you like the session?
Thank you. Lots of love to all of you.
Oh, Cheryl, where is your lab? We forgot that part.
My lab, you don't know what he did mid-session. In between the session, he came in and he was trying to...
I have a session, but I have to do that. I promise the kids. Isn't it? We want to see her pet, don't we? Before we end?
Yes.
Yes. We're not going. Don't worry. I can wait. My session can wait.
Sir, I can't think of gentle things.
No, Fahim, I will speak to you. Don't worry about it. We will spend some time. All right. Here he.
Tyson.
What's the name?
He sat here. 1 second.
I know.
Hi. Tutu. So his name is Tyson. We call him Tutu.
Okay. Hi, Tutu. Do you rhyme
Hello.
also?
Hello.
Like rhymes.
Hello.
Tutu is a music lover. Tutu loves to listen to music.
Wow. Cheryl, thank you.
I have another dog though, which is right there sleeping under the bed. So I'll let her be.
Yeah,
anyway,
absolutely.
So this was about it, right? Till 3. My time was till 3, right?
No. Thank you so much, Cheryl. It was wonderful. Look at Aisha and Rushda. They're all loving your session, all the feedback. I'll collect everything and I'll send it across to you.
Thank you so much.
Right. Bye, everybody. Thank you once
Bye,
again.
everybody. Have a lovely day ahead and we'll meet sometime soon, maybe. Yes?
Bye.
That's
Cheryl,
it.
thank you. See you, everybody.
Bye, Amma. Bye.